Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will giving you new Logman Vistas of class 8 book civics chapter 7, that is understanding marginalization, solution of exercise A. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay, so first question, marginalized groups are denied rights and access to resources and generally pushed to the correct option is D, periphery. Okay, so in this question correct option is D, periphery. Question 2, dash are also called Adivasis. So in this question correct option is option B, scheduled tribes. Question 3, which of these is not a marginalized community? So correct option is option B, Brahmins. Okay. Question 4, over a period of time the caste system became dash. So correct option is A, rigid. Okay. We will proceed section B, fill in the blanks. First question, the Indian constitution recognized the Sudras as, so answer is special privileges or SC. SC means scheduled caste. Okay, so SC. Next, 2, women lost their rights to education and dash. So answer is freedom. Third, the dash refers to a group of people who are numerically less in a country or an area. So answer of this question is minorities community. Complete the statement. The minorities community refers to a group of people who are numerically less in a country or an area. Question 4. Dash threatens the physical and mental well-being of the affected people. So answer is marginalization threatens the physical and mental well-being of the affected people. Next, section C, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. So first, social justice is needed for marginalized people. So this statement is true. Question 2, the practice of apartheid is an example of social justice. So this statement is false. Third, marginalized groups rarely face poverty. So this statement is also false. Next question 4, statement 4, before the advent of the British rule, the tribes led a life free from interference of the kings and empires. So this statement is true. Fifth, marginalized communities are denied basic facilities of life. So this statement is also true. Okay. Next we will solve. I will giving you answer of this section D questions. So section D, answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. So first question, define marginalization. So this question, in this question answer is here, page number 293. This statement is answer, marginalization is social exclusion of people. So this is a answer of, please write in your notebook. So question, I again repeat question, Define marginalization. So answer marginalization is social exclusion of people. Okay. Question 2. Name the communities that have faced marginalization in India. Okay. So in this question, names are the communities of marginalized communities are first scheduled caste. First is scheduled caste. Second is women. Third is scheduled tribes. Okay. And fourth is minorities. Okay. In all 4 points are answer of this question. So names the communities that have faced marginalization in India are first scheduled caste, second women, third scheduled tribes, and fourth minorities. Okay. Third question, who are considered polluting and why? Okay, so answer of this question is page number 219 290. So this paragraph answer is section D, question 3. The answer is the lower castes were considered as polluting and were treated as untouchables because of the nature of their jobs. Okay, so this is answer of section D, question 3. Please write it. Question 4. Who are the Adivasis? Question 4. Who are the Adivasis? So answer is page number 291. So answer is tribal people are known as Adivasis, which literally means those who have inhabited an area since time immemorial. Okay. In other words, they are the original inhabitants of an area, especially the forested areas. Okay. So, dear viewers, in this chapter, section A, B, C, and D, all solution is completed. In my next video, I will provide you solution of section E, F. Okay. So, thank you for watching.